This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
So I cannot exercise my right unless it is sent to me.
Yes,
It has not been formally sent to me.
My lord, what I understand, my lord, I really did not get much time to, my lord, get acquainted with all the facts. But, my lord, I will tell you, lordships, my lord, appointment of 14,000 and odd, my lord, candidates were to be given. My lord, I understand everything was done excepting, my lord, 1482 or, my lord, candidates. Now, the difficulty I am told is, my lord, that there is mismatch, my lord. There are 4 categories. Now, my lord, they are not fitting in, my lord, in those categories. The who are available. My lord, that is the difficulty which is being faced, and that is why, my lord, a can was also made which is pending before this court. The can is not with, yes, an application, I won't say can, an application was made which is pending before this court. My lord, I will tell you, lordship, my lord, I am told that, my lord, there are basically 4 categories, my lord. My lord, the categories are, my lord, on
Mr. Advocate General, do you want to re-argue the matter? Because you were not there.
no.
Your secretary came and said that this mismatching is being removed. We believed, we again believed, we again believed.
Mismatching has been removed.
Yes, your junior appeared, he said that next day I will see that it starts. Why you are misleading us this fashion? If you want to, if you are Advocate General, because in this matter previous Advocate General appeared. A review, what was the defeat? Your secretary seems to be standing in the way. He told us that there is a question on the adjustment on the basis of SC-ST categories. Who is he to decide when court has said that you do it? Mr. Advocate General, kindly observe how we have been kept on the tie. He is taking us for a ride. Every day adjournment, every day Advocate General will appear. This conduct, Mr. Advocate General, from a secretary, it is not acceptable. We will immediately incorporate appropriate stricture in his Ssc-r. He is taking the court for a ride, Mr. This, why I tell you, because this matter, Mr. Advocate General, had started from I am telling you,
August 2024, my lord, it appears, my lord.
August, thereafter, there was a Mr. Kishore Datta appeared.
Yes.
This was earlier represented by Mr. Mukherjee, by the then advocate.
Original one.
So when we said that you give appointment to this, commission came and said that yes, we are agreeable to listen to your order, but who will remove this mismatch? Then a suggestion was given to us that this mismatch will not result in subtraction of vacancies of any future selection process. If a vacancy,
Yes, that's recorded.
vacancy is SC, but it is male category, this mismatch occurs, we will take a male category from the future selection process, if so, and we will transfer this vacancy to that post. We were reluctant at that time, that how can you do this? Is it possible? Advocate General appeared and said that, my lord, your lordship kindly incorporate a line today, that because we will be facing litigation, certainly, if there is readjustment of vacancies, Advocate General very fairly submitted that if you make appropriate observations, we will continue with this. Mr. Mitro, we went to the extent of making that observation, though we were initially very reluctant to do so.
Mr. Basu submits. The order 21st of May.
Our
is very clear.
secretary is taking this court for a ride, Mr. Mitro.
No restriction towards adjustment has been
No,
brought
put
to
it a clear order.
no fresh selection, no vacancy has been in the said conspectus, would not affect any future selection process. We direct to.
And Mr. Chaudhary, I tell you, you appeared on that date in hot haste. That also we understood. But you came and said, Mr. Mitro was not there at that time. You said that I will come next day and I will see it is done. Now, Mr. Mitro, I tell you another thing. This mismatching dispute was over. So the Advocate General said, this observation is made. All right, I am proceeding. I will send a letter to the commission. He will send a letter to the commission, and then commission will call these persons. They are vagabonds. They are waiting for 2 years.
No, no, definitely not. They should not, man.
Yeah, it is sitting on the head of the court, Mr. Mitra.
My lord,
You are a respected person. We called you. You said you are new, na? This
I presume, my lord, that
Lastly, বললো, lastly, 21st May order is very clear.
Now again, my brother has given. Thanks to my brother. Dispute was requirement was 1241. 1241 mismatch. Government went into the records. A question was read that, my lord, you are saying adjust the vacancies, then we have to obtain sanction from SC and ST conversion. How can you do that? They are creating problems, na? So we said, all right, what is the present state of affairs? Then they said that 1241 is the total. We have adjusted 1171. Not total, 1171. Then we said, then it's okay if it is 1241. If 1177 is free from every dispute, we are giving it this protection for mismatching adjustment. This will not affect the future selection process. You please continue with 117. Mr. Dotto appeared. Now we said that Mr. Dotto, Mr. Basu was there. He said that later communication come to us. We will commence the counseling. Now why did we agree? Because Mr. Mitro, you have seen, suppose 100 posts are called for counseling, maybe
Absentee is there always.
15 candidates will not appear. Then we thought, then this problem may be curtailed down, and maybe the dispute will be in return to 10 candidates, we will consider. But this, Mr. Mitro, we must have, there is a limit to consideration now. Then we are so respectable to the secretary. We said, oh, you are a high officer, you have to come to court. No, be there online. Be there online, you don't have to come. And he is online.
no, very well, my lord.
So, we are really,
No,
if you are not, if Mr. Mitro, if you are not satisfied with our order, go to the Supreme Court. Secretary could have made a note to that effect. He said that if you can say, you come and say that this will not affect future selection process, state will be safe. Naturally, because state tomorrow there may be a litigation. How you are taking away vacancy from this selection process? Because under the rules, Mr. Mitro, you also know that if the vacancies are not filled up, it will be carried forward in the next selection process.
my lord, only thing is,
We are certainly, we can express to Mr. Mitro,
No,
you are the
I-
highest officer of the state. If your secretary acts in this fashion,
May
that
I-
I will stand in the way, I will see how the court implements it order. He is standing in the
I do not want to justify, my lord. I do not want to justify. Only thing is, my lord, possibly if your lordships are pleased to look into the order of 4th of September once, my lord.
No, Mr. Mitro, there had been 3 learned advocate generals appearing.
Sorry, my lord.
If you want to re-argue the matter, Mr. Mitro,
For I do not want to, my lord. Kindly bear with me, my lord. I do not, your lordships know me, my lord, for some time.
know you. Why should we unnecessarily embarrass you, Mr.
I do
Mitro?
not want to, my lord. Kindly
Mr.
once.
Chaudhary, be here.
Yes, I have told him to be here. He is busy person, my lord.
No, not busy.
Difficult to keep him at one place.
No, that's not.
What is the impression given to the litigant public of the court? This court is helpless. Sitting there, a secretary will be able to control this.
Lord, that is
5 years, Mr. Mitro, it is continuing for a person is standing in the queue when the vacancy will come and I can go for interview.
my lord.
Does your secretary realize that?
Lordship should kindly once look into the order of 4th of September, my lord, once.
We will look into, because if Mr. Mitro, you say that it has to be re-argued,
It
then
cannot
we
be
will-
reopened.
No, I do
because
not
it is
want to.
stayed.
I do not want to.
This order was passed at your request, at your instance.
Kindly, once.
He is facing difficulty. Since there are some mismatch, so give us some handle so that we can give.
That list I have
Before
produced.
passing
থামবে তুমি?
order,
Produce করে দিয়েছি ওই list।
before passing order in contempt proceeding, one court generally does not pass such order.
Kindly once come to the third page, my lord. That is the portion where, my lord, the clarification comes in. My lord, kindly come to the second paragraph.
Yes.
In the said conspectus, and as such, adjustment of vacancies would not affect any future selection process.
We direct the commission.
We direct the commission as well as the state authorities to take all follow-up steps. My lord, this is possibly, my lord, this is what they, my lord, my instruction was that, my lord, in future, my lord, today, there are, say, about 100 vacancies. Now, they have to take out, my lord, maybe 10 vacancies out of that. That is why, my lord, they are saying that this would really create, my lord, a dent in the future vacancies.
You have to read the total order then, Mr. Mitra.
এখানে ওইটাকে clarify করা।
May I do one thing, my lord?
The secretary will again, Mr. Mitra.
No.
He has the audacity now that please, the Advocate General, tell the court 4th September what the court did.
No, 4th September, Mr.
4th
Chaudhary.
September order, this was passed, Mr. Mitra. In the said conspectus, we said
Mr.
that.
Mr. Chaudhary showed it to me, my lord. It was not by the
No,
secretary.
it is not Mr. Chaudhary. Somebody is standing behind.
No.
He doesn't want the court's order to be.
I will ensure, my lord. I take it upon myself, my lord. I will ensure.
We respected him. He's a senior officer. It seems we respected him, but this is going too much. You go to the Supreme Court and set aside this order. Set aside the order. If he is so interested that his English language infirmities, his secretary will point out.
No, my lord. As I said, my lord.
He is very adamant. He wants to see that I will see how the order is implemented. Mr. Mitra, there must be a limit to our patience.
Can I do one thing? My lord? Can I have one more week's time, my lord? And I can, my lord, try to, my lord, iron out everything.
Mr. Mitra, you are a respectable person. You are the Advocate General. You tell us you take 2 months. That is
No,
not
I
what
do not
Mr.
want-
Bhattacharya was there. Mr. Bhattacharya insisted that you, all right, you continue with the order. We told him that you don't proceed. We want these persons to at least.
Yes, absolutely.
And all our senior counsellors, if the secretary now comes and says, Mr. Mitra, that Mr. Mitra kindly show the court paragraph number such and such and see what is this. This is, Mr. Mitra, this is not
Lordship should believe me, my lord. 4th September was shown by Mr. Chaudhary.
Milord, actually my fault is, Milord, I'll tell you lordship, Milord.
adjustment.
Mr. Bhattacharya, just give me 1 minute. Milord, your lordship, Milord, knows I appeared.
Chaudhary, you should have told Mr. Mitra.
No, that's, yes, your lordship is right. I'll tell your lordship, I told them that you have to do this. They raised an issue and that is cleared by the 4th September order. I went through the records and it hasn't been done apparently, it seems today. Now I am
He
out
will
of it.
not issue the letter.
My fault is, my lord, that I did not go and sit with Mr. Mitra, which I will do today. Lord, please keep it tomorrow. I will explain to Mr. Mitra. He will, my lord, be
What will
appraised of
Mr.
that.
Mitra do? He will summon the secretary, he will ask him, or now the secretary will give an official note, I will want to file SLP against that order. What will Mr. Mitra do? There has to be
It has to be done now.
there has to be some sort of confidence between the bar and the bench. 3 advocate generals appeared.
But my
Mr. Mitra
my
has
learned
appeared
advocate
only
general,
to
I will, my
start.
lord, go and assist today.
He
Pick it
understood
up
that
tomorrow.
it is not possible for Mr. Mitra to immediately take up the matter. So
But I was similarly misled on the first day. Your lordship pointed out that, have you read this order? I said, I'm sorry, I haven't. When I went back and read the order,
So you are very senior counsel. We are expressing our helplessness. Somebody is testing our patience. We thought that if we mark a single line that
No.
you incorporate this in this SCR of this person, then we will find.
Kindly give me a week's time, my lord. I will try to, my lord. And I think I will be in a position to, my lord.
By now, I have read the records. I will look into Mr.
রিটায়ার করে
Mitra.
যেন রিজাইন
It's my
Now,
fault.
now
I
I
should
tell
have
you,
gone.
Mr.
I am
What
appeal
point
to
the
the
secretary will take? What point the secretary will take?
তাহলে তো আমাদের
The secretary will now take a point that Mr. Mitro, within this 1241, there are certain SC/ST vacancies. Now this conversion for this, as you know, Mr. Mitro, under the conversion, the directorate has to be approached that we don't have suitable candidates, you convert it to ST. Then only we can do so. But we said that it is 1241 is the total. 1171 you have already got. Then you proceed with 1177, which will exclude this conversion issue. Which will exclude this conversion issue. If it is done, because somebody will be absent, maximum. Mr. Mitro, they are testing our these officers, sir, because now the situation is commission chairman not there, commission secretary not there. And he will now come and tell Mr. Mitro that I am not the implementing of the, so let him, you send the letter, sir. 1171, you say, this was understood, Mr. Mitro.
আমরা
Mr. Chaudhary was there.
Yes, I have tried my best.
Mr. Chaudhary and Mr. Basu said that Mr. Chaudhary, then please give us a letter.
Yes, that is the last order, my lord.
There are- Mr. Mitro, you are our officer.
Definitely.
The
First.
secretary, if the secretary thinks that I will take the court for a ride,
My lord,
then
I am the officer of the court first and
Yes.
then anything else.
anything else. He appears to be very audacious.
He has the constitutional authority to represent for the state, not of the government. Therefore, he has a larger responsibility.
He appears to be very, I will see how the court goes.
Kindly, my lord, give me a week's time. I will try to sort it out.
Mr. Mitro, you please tell your officer, if whatever we will hear, if he agrees or not, we do not know. He may be having his problems, but we will then take up the contempt. We
Definitely.
will then take up, to avoid this, we did this, Mr. Mitro. To avoid this, we said you are a busy person, be online. Don't come here when your officers are here. We are really, we are, what should I, Mr. Mitro, when you are in a, you are, what a litigant will think about us. When the advocate general appears, oh, he will go out the courtroom and say that advocate general's behalf, this has been said, it will be done 1177. Let them proceed. So again on this day, Mr. Mitro, you tell us, Mitro, Mr. Mitro, when if we will ask Mr. Mitro that you are our officer, see the entire set of orders and take the decision. You tell us, Mr. Mitro, when do you
Give me
want?
a week's time, my lord.
If the letter to that effect, what was told to us, I think that was recorded.
yes, yes.
Mr. Basu Lanesia, Mr. Chaudhary assures that those identified vacancies would be immediately forwarded to the commission so that necessary follow-up steps can be taken for counseling in compliance of the order of this. Mr. Basu of the commission says immediately upon receipt of the list of vacancies follow. Up to here it went, Mr. Now we leave it upon you, Mr. Mitro. You are our officer, you kindly, sir.
বলছে ওটাও mismatch.
না ওটা mismatch না।
কোনো mismatch না। আমি সব করে দিয়েছি।
If there had been any confusion, Mr. Mitro, one thing may be troubling you, that September order, we said this was said because of this reason, that you do it, this will not be affecting. You give the blame to the court. That order was accepted, thereafter it came to you. We will only say, Mr. Mitro, you are our officer, please look into the problem and you tell us when will you come, Mr. Mitro.
Lord, can I have 1 minute time, my lord?
এবার কে
I am appealing for petitioner.
We are trying to solve the problem, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
I know, Lord, just to remind you, Lord, is one thing. Just to remind you, Lord, when Mr. Dotto was the advocate general, he submitted before Lord. We can do it if the court's order is there.
Yes,
And-
yes.
Kindly remember that. My lord,
So
there are
that
some.
we have told Mr. Mitra. We have told Mr.
Therefore,
Mitra
the
that
order was passed at the instance of the state.
state problem was there, we went to that extent, Mr.
Yes,
Mitra.
yes,
Now
that's
if he,
exactly.
at this stage, if he wants to go back and test our order, then
No, my lord's deliberations was, this is an execution order. Try to execute this order in the manner it is possible.
we
Not
have
for contempt.
Mr. Basu, we have requested Mr. Mitra. After, we are hopeful that if the matter can
I
be.
will try to, my lord. Definitely, I will try to.
What
Only
is, why we wouldn't have said so many things, my lord. Mr. Mitra, it is touching us now.
naturally,
People now are thinking that
it's only normal. It's only normal.
that repeated adjournments High Court is giving and the persons are suffering.
It's only normal.
Indian of file.
Tell us, Mr. Mitra.
As suggested, my lord, I do not. Kindly give me a fortnight's time because I was told that possibly I will not get my lord instruction within that time. Kindly give me a fortnight's time.
ওই ফর্টনাইট কবে হচ্ছে সেটা
6 জুলাই হলো ছুটি স্টেট গভর্নমেন্ট, আমাদের ছুটি করে দিতে হবে।
কিসের?
একটা দিন আগে পরে হবে।
না না, তারপরে বলি ছুটি একটা এক্সট্রা পাওয়া যাবে, স্টেট গভর্নমেন্ট করেছে, ওটা জোগাড় করতে হবে তো। ছুটি ছুটি কিসের ছুটি হয় না, আর আমি ওতে 1 নম্বর। 3 তারিখ
মিস্টার মিত্রকে বলো ফোন to you take time, Mr. Mitra. If you can solve the problem, start the counseling of 1177. I don't know what Mr. Basu, now your chairman and secretary is not there.
chairman
Secretary is there, my lord.
Secretary is there.
Secretary is there.
Secretary,
office will be there, it execution order, nothing else
then
remains.
please, if Mr. Mitra
The statutory
contest
body
this,
is-
you or the letter is given to you, you start the
The moment
counseling
letter will come, it will commence.
and you come prepared. If the matter is not solved in that way, then we will proceed.
Yes, yes.
কবে বললে?
8th of July.
8 July 3 p.m. Mr.
So far as my client is concerned, my lord, the chairman, he has resigned. Can his personal appearance be dispensed with?
Let him be here. He is also an officer.
He was on that date, he resigned.
No, we are not dispensing with
As
appearance.
you lordship.
You simply come.
No, but the present chairman also should appear, my lord. If there is a new
there is
chairman. There's a new chairman has been appointed
One
on
is
behalf
there.
of.
No.
We are not passing any further direction, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. We are keeping it on
8
8
July.
July at 3 p.m. Mr. Mitra has requested for that period.
My lord, my lord.
One thing is that, my lord, this judgment is already tested.
In the meantime,
It is already tested before the apex court and it is self-dismissed.
And it was tested by the advocate
No,
was
no,
Mr. Samin.
No, I am not.
it is possible.
I am not.
Judgment was
Tested.
Supreme Court.
Yes, yes.
Yes, 6 SLP
Yes,
filed,
original judgment.
every SLP dismissed. 6 SLP filed or every SLP dismissed.
কি বলেছিলাম আমি?
Where are those orders?
Was placed.
Last location, yes, yes,
So
yes.
we'll give it on 8 July.
It is already given, my lord.
In the meantime,
So it is nothing new that, my lord, it is not about carry forward. It is, my lord.
No, we have told Mr. Mitra. He has said that you keep it after a fortnight.
Yes,
Mr. Mitra has come to the post.
He's only come, let him-
go through the
Because the
papers.
whole junk is not a dispute. Some portion that is regarding
He
spaces.
is a very senior.
Yes,
man.
yes, yes, yes.
When he
In the
when he
meantime,
says something,
yes.
Is-
In the meantime, if the selection can be started, my lord.
না হবে না সেটা কি
না হবে না, কেন না করছো কেন? হবে না।